Hey, Marcy, you really scared of the birds?
What?
You really scared of that little bird over there?
No, not even.
Oh, because you kids told me all the time you're scared of it.
Hell no, I'm not.
You're not scared of that shit?
No.
You're not scared of that shit? I'm gonna let this shit go. You wanna check him out? Come on, Petey.
Hey, Mike, leave that alone, okay?
No.
Yes.
You know.
Leave it alone, Mike.
No.
I'm not afraid of birds.
Let go! Oh my god!
No! No!
Hurry, go. Go. This is the bird. Okay, I'm gonna get him. Come on, he wants to play! Get up, Mars, get up. Okay, everyone put him away.
Dude, she's gonna like kill that bird. I dare you. I freaking double dog dare you. Let him bite your tongue.
Hell no. Come on, Marcy. I thought you weren't scared, you freaking liar. It's coming under the window! Ah!
Uh-oh.
Watch it.
Mike.
Get the bird.
Come on, Mike, put it away.
He's coming to pay you a little visit. Alright, Marcy, we're just playing. We're gonna put him away now.
Put him away.
Alright. That's some funny crap.
Should I cut it?
Good job, Petey. You showed her who's the boss.